Good morning, everyone. This is Ruth Mission of One, your senior vlogger. I tackle all possible issues of today and even that of yesterday and tomorrow, as long as it is worth knowing and sharing. If you did not subscribe to this channel yet, please do subscribe now and click the bell button to keep updated of new videos in case I cannot send the link promptly. Like and you may leave a comment or message as I gladly acknowledge and welcome all sort of interest. My longtime friend Beth recommended a good vegan restaurant in SM City Annex at Ecoland in Davao City. I thought it could be a good recommendation if I get a good review of the restaurant for my sons and daughter who would come to visit Davao City soon as this pandemic is over. Vegan and vegetarians. These two terms are entirely different. Vegan eat no animal products, while vegetarians don't eat animals but may eat products that come from them, such as dairy and eggs. People choose these diets due to health concerns, religious restrictions, or moral concerns about harming animals. Research show that eating meat increased risk of diseases like cancers and cardiovascular illness. Studies have consistently linked higher consumption of red and processed meat to increased risk of certain cancers as well as increased risk of death from heart diseases, stroke, or diabetes. On the other hand, when we stop eating meat, we would suffer energy loss, feeling of fatigue, like weakness and tiredness, because we are missing an important source of protein and iron, both of which are giving us energy. The body absorbs more iron from meat than other food, but it is not our only choice since there are a lot of plants and vegetables a source of iron. Actually, according to scientific study, there is no need for humans to eat meat or any animal products as our dietary needs are best supplied by an animal-free diet. Some meat are high in fats, especially saturated fat. Eating a lot of saturated fat can raise cholesterol levels in the blood, and having high cholesterol raises risk of heart diseases. The type of meat products and how it is cooked can make a big difference to the saturated fat content of our diet. Saturated fat, which has been linked to cancers of the colon, breast, and heart diseases. Carcinogens or substance causing cancers are formed when meat is cooked. There is also a hemi-iron, the type of iron found in meat that may produce compounds that can damage cells leading to cancer. Anyways, just for our information, the healthiest meat is liver, particularly beef liver. This is one of the most nutritious meats you can eat as a great source of high quality protein, vitamin A, vitamin B12, B6, folic acid, and essential amino acids. According to a recent report on the largest study of vegetarians and vegans to date, those people eating plant-based diets appear to have a significantly longer life expectancy. Vegetarians live on average almost 8 years longer than the general population, which is similar to the gap between smokers and non-smokers. Those who adhere to a plant-based diet rich in whole grains, vegetables, and fruits typically pass a well-formed poop more frequently. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, while meat and dairy products contain none. Fiber keeps the intestinal system working efficiently. Again, for our information, it is clear that not only did processing and eating meat come naturally to humans, it is entirely possible that without an early diet that included generous amounts of animal protein, we would not even have become human. Meat is good for our brain. It has plenty of vitamin B12, which is essential for preventing mental issues like fatigue, brain fog, nerve damage, and decrease in brain volume for older people. Inadequate levels of vitamin B12 have been shown to correlate with memory loss. Eating red meat once or twice a week can fit into a healthy diet, especially for toddlers and women of reproductive age. Lean meats such as chicken and turkey are lean options and can play in maintaining a healthy body. There are actually many more options for our diets which would be tackled on my upcoming vlogs. Pandemic is not yet over. The virus is still proliferating and infecting people of all ages. It may be fatal if we will not keep our immune system strong. Let us fight COVID and other forms of illness by eating the right food and have ourselves vaccinated. Cleanliness is still next to godliness. Along with strengthening our immune system by eating the right diet, please do not forget the simple health protocols we are asked to do, like using our face mask correctly, using our face shield, and of course, the frequent and proper washing of hands. God be with us, and I pray for longer lives for each and every one of us and every member of our family. God bless everyone, and see you in my next video. This had been Ruth Mission of One, your senior vlogger.